I'm really liking my food. I'm going to grab for more. Show him how you lick the spoon. Show him how you lick it. Show him. Lick it. There you go. Lick the spoon. Lick the back. Ooh, what was that? Yeah, let go of the spoon. You got you. Let go of the spoon. You want you want a little food? Show them how much you love this food. Show them. You want a little food? Airplane. Show them how you want your food. You're just staring at me, huh? You want some? Ooh, yum, mom. Ooh, yum. See, almost done. Yay! I love you.